Etie for Yamamuni Akwaba. Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, yesterday Monday your first time waha. Yesterday subscribe it. Now click the notification bell on so. Yesterday and then your first time waha subscribe. Now click the notification bell on so. Metro send our bell on screen so end that screen so see and the best answer. Na assembly abasen ya munim no na ya bon komo no na sanso da screen so sisi ano yesterday na sa pepe mai o subscribe ya da we me notification bell no so no latest news bi aba na assembly ba to say we ya on sa be kan first we ya na wa share mai na say ye ni ayenim eye die esi wo Ghana sisi ade trendy sisi a eye Reverend Owusu Bempah na ye ni ayenim say in some bebresi wechi efi embra obema prophecy no 31st night obema prophecy no enkremophobia mo ekona sorry hoko sese nyama sisi abeda ne police case ene chief imam na yeka na asem ne krepie abe kase nkrofo mfa Owusu Bempah bone ncheno to say ohwa nkofo bebre akasa afa ho ena emse dodo na no omo kasati Owusu Bempah ohwe Ghana pastors kese wo Ghana kromokra kasati Owusu Bempah na baako na nkofo baako na de bia nkofo kase omo silent government na when yesi no na nkofo say na dey na government ya fa ho government yente so mo kahwe afa ho no na Shatawale Kraba out ebeka say onti accident ya Ekufuado waye kuma ohwe say nkofo te say Owusu Bempah ebema prophecies bi say ya just government en country en fa ho na nkofo bebre kan say government aye kuma ho too much na ebi mususu say wonim say sisi Owusu Bempah de nkofo say oye MPP4 prophet inti na nkofo susu oye MPP4 prophet inti MPP4 ni na obia mpese obeba abekasa na asema basisia breaking news basisia ne say minister for Zongo kanina nkoye minister for information Mustafa Hamid waba out abekasa na ohwe nsema okan ya ase wakasa etia Reverend Owusu Bempah na yeni ayenim say yeka Zongo de eno na ana eho na nkemofo no omotai doso wo ho yenka say nkemofo nkwa na ti Zongo ba ohwe mu a nkemofo no bebre na yeko Zongo bia oba ahyama Zongo uko bebia yefeni Zongo bia na nkemofo na tai doso wo ho na omo minister aba out abeka sentino mewidi asema to say obekan mewidi asema obekan na yenia yahwe the ebe ya fa na o say Owusu Bempah's death prophecy about 100-year-old chief imam illogical, dismiss it. Na to say the can say Owusu Bempah come share or share come say chief imam we di 100 years obewu no sebe nyansa anim nti no mayenfa nye bibia mayenfa nye kasabia mayenfa nye hwe ose nyansa anim efise chief imam na we di 100 na so obi di 100 no obewu a we nso se oba na obeka se yembo mpan ma no na mungu ti opese o se sa de na Owusu Bempah okan no nyansa enim na nipa ko no we di 100 nti owa ye ne ayenim se nyame ne hwan ofise Bible ni mu kra na say obi ana nyame ama ye nya se nyame hira wa obema we di 70 na we wa pass 70 ho di 100 na to say nyame hira ne kra dodo nti no enye say we hu say ne ba ko no be wa so yembo mpan ya na mungu obi a we di 100 na ade na obewu a say eye prophecy muni amunim say me kan ho asem na me read the article ni bia o say the Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid, has urged Muslim youth to disregard Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah, founder of the Glorious Word and Power Ministry International Church, dead prophecy about the National Chief Imam. Not to say, in commissioner Owusu Bempah, I say, Chief Imam, National Chief Imam, be uno, Momo fanya, Momo susu hu fanya sem kakra, say, Omuntungu. omuntungu kra na yensanfo omuntungu na otias no say Muslim youth are up in arms against Bempa for prophesying that the national chief imam will die this year. Na that story no ye the brem send yankrofo ekọ eye also Bempa ho mko say ho na osanso de tiaso a group of Zongo community youth unleashed an attack on the Odoko Buzia branch of Reverend Osu Bempe's church on Wednesday 2nd January 2018 and demanded an apology from the man of God for his pronouncement. Not just say a year Zongo omo say a year Osu Bempa enyama wana so hono omo free a year Zongo just omo ye mebuno omo free Zongo hono na omo ko say sanyama ni wie no omo ba no mbeka say omo ma a year Osu Bempa 24 hours onye video embe pacho na wambe pacho a ombe ko ho na trese omansan so akosai enyama but sisi anu mene okasa no eye Osu Bempa sorry ho no eye police any soldier for e bo ho bind the den nti no be den say obi betumi asan so akosai bibia wo na etua so say commenting on the fallout from Bempe's death prophecies, Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid said the prophecy that has angered his Muslim fellows, especially the Zongo youth, has no substance and should be dismissed. Not just say, or say, Asema Osu Bempa no, a young commissioner or my say a chief imam bewuno, Sebi, Yakase has no substance, Sebi, at the Papibianim. The papi be no yes own person will be the atem na waka ne nice abeka say at the papi be anim but o person o kan plain abeka say se be nyanse be anim nti no ngofo entungu sa asem no de momo fa nyehwe na otiaso say for him it makes no sense to prophesy death about an 100-year-old against the backdrop that death was largely inevitable for every human being. Na ono Mustafa Hamid ndo aka say ono de nyanse bi enim say obeka say obi a we di 100 no we nyan conscience say obewu na no nyanse bi enim na obi a we di 100 ye obi a feel say oh we di 100 ya uwa boni bi enim na obeka say in conscience ba say 100 years be wo say ono de nyanse bi enim efi say owu kra no ya de anipa bia entrebo nipa bia entry bonti owo no obia be wo wiase mu ti ono nti accident Osu Bempa nso hu ade we ya wa ba beka fi se nyansa bia enim obia we di 100 no nyansa bia enim nyansa ba ko sei enim se obia we di 100 no we hu so be wo nti nso beka na be yeden eno na eye Mustafa Hamid oka na yetia asema eye Mr. Mustafa Hamid ekan ya o say really and truly death is a natural phenomenon that we shall all encounter. So when somebody says that it is not as if the fellow has said something extraordinary because it is a fact of life. I don't really consider those ones as a prophecy and in the real sense of the word, and especially so if you prophesy that a 100-year-old man like the national chief imam is going to die. Really, how far as I'm concerned, I'll dismiss it and say that it's no prophecy at all. And so therefore I think that the Zongo youth should dismiss it and also then exercise restraint and put their faith in the 6th article of the Islamic tradition that says that we should believe in destiny and believe that whatever that happens is the doing of the Almighty Allah, not of humans. He said in an interview with Accra-based Joy FM. Not to say on the Joy FM, ekasa no ka say no dear, you can't prophecy dear just say adia we ni enda who say besi na akoye say sebi obinyim na wakatre ni pakono say oh obewoba we hu say ni pakono nyimo na waka say obewoba nyamye eyi ache me nyamye ahye nkom say obewoba eno no enye prophecy if you say eye obvious say obinyima eye den kroben den obewo nti no nipa bia bewu nti woka say obi bewu a eno na enye prophecy na we akoye obi a no we di 100 years ene so onu hu ne say prophecy nti no eye Zongo youth no mubuefu no so osra omo nka omo akoma ento omo yem na eye 6th article ewo Islam no 6th article ewo Islam no eno no eye a eka say bibia ebetu nipa bia no omo fa aseda emma eye Allah bibia betu ni pebiano mo fa seda ema ala aye nim se nyankopon no na etua so say Meanwhile, the office of the National Chief Imam, Sheikh Nuru Sharibuntu, has appealed to all Muslims in Ghana to desist from any engagement and act that will tarnish the hard-earned image and reputation of His Eminence, National Chief Imam, particularly on peace and tolerance, following Owusu Bempeh's prophecies. Natural say, asem na midin kan say, a year National Chief Imam ne kan waba out abeka se osre a year zongo fo no omo makoma ento omo yem na we de anya asem bia. Natural say is the wish of His Eminence that all the adherents of the Islamic faith remain restrained and tolerant and shun away from every form of chaotic act, as the Islamic tenets does not condone intolerance. Not just say senya eya nkrofo esusu say Islam for no omo ye nkrofo mo pe etutu asem no say dabi omo de enesa no mote na mo ye nkrofo asebe omo de asumdie nkwa eno mo pe nti no osro mo so asumdie embra na omo njai attack no mo attack nti tie for we ni asem a ye de subscribe na click the notification bell ne so that's it.